Welcome netizen to this today particular C tutorial. I'm still Chris Dalagnoid. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to run some basic file handling code in C. Actually, I have installed my VS Code, and you can also do some installation of VS Code because that is the editor we are going to be using. Once you install it, come to the here, which is the extension. Click on the extension, then install. So we are going to be working with this one, and this one. So you can go and do the installation. After you have done the installation, you still have one thing to go with, which is the GCC compiler. Here I'm using MIGW installer, which is one of the best to run C code without installing this GCC compiler and including the path to your environmental variables. You discover that C will not run on your system even though you have installed it through the VS Code. So far this thing is installed. I have created a folder, and the name is C example, and I have created a C file which is code example.c. So I just want to write some basic code to wrap up this tutorial, and we are going to write a file handling tutorial. Let me just write, and what we are going to write is just a normal file handling tutorial which everybody knows. We are going to use C to create a file. Inside this our working directory, and also to write into those files. Let's include our stio.h. Okay, let's come here and create our main function, which is the basic function in C. Okay, why is there a showing? Okay, I think it's gone. Let's come and declare our file, and here asterisk pf open. If for you to know much about this thing, you can go and listen to most of the already C tutorial both on this channel and other channels. You can get information more on this. We're going to create a folder, a file called test.txt. So let's close this, and again we are going to write some operations, what we want to do with the folder. I'm going to use append. Append is one of the file operations that we write into a folder. Actually, it will not. We have overwrite. We have append. Append we just include a when run one after the other, like the program we are going to write here. Let's just say fprint f. What we want to do to the file, then pf. I think I'm right. Okay, I love programming. Okay, we want to create a file. This text, let's just change to text.txt, and we're going to write in this I love programming inside it. And when we write in this thing I love programming inside it, this thing also is going to check. It's going to check whether the file is existing. Automatically it will check. You don't need to write if statement before you can check. It will check if the file is existing. If it's existing, then it will append the content of the file. If it's not existing, then it will create the file and put everything inside. Let's just place our return 0. Okay, yeah, I think we don't have any error. Let's save our work, Ctrl X, or you come here and save it. Then let's run our code. Okay, it will seem nothing actually happened, but something has happened. This is our text.txt, and inside our text.txt we have I love programming. If I run this thing again, if you come here, test.txt, discover that we still have I love programming. Oops, let's just come here and do some line break. Save. Run this program again. Consulted.txt. Why is our line break not happening? Let's just save it here. Run the code again. Sorry. Okay, that's just it for now. Later we verify what is actually wrong with it. Yeah, it's now on another line. So this is just how it is. And if I come here again and write I love programming, I love netizen, run this code. It automatically runs. So in our next tutorial, we are going to explain how to create the .ex file of our program, and also we are going to explain some basic scripting in the programming language. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to click on that subscription button and click on the like button to support us defeat this YouTube algorithm. Your subscription is very important, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to be receiving the video we'll be dropping. Thank you.